They found the elephant, and they saw the tiny wound that had made it die. The tracks told Kiko that the heavy people had been there, and he wondered why they had taken the useless tusks and had left all the valuable meat to rot. He said, the heavy people do strange things. Bo said, I'll call Cabo's family to help us eat the meat. If I run all day and all night, I can find them by tomorrow. And Kiko said, we'll go and call our family. There were many tusks. It takes the gods more than a man's lifetime to make a full-grown elephant, and it horrified them to see that so many had died. Kiko and Kabi found the place where Kisa and Kiri's tracks suddenly stopped. Kiko said, look, Kisa climbed onto the thing and then Kiri went up too, and it took them away.